Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. I'm creating this video out of nowhere just to show you that I got an order on the gig that we created. So it has been about 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours, and in less than 5 to 6 hours I just got a click on my gig, and this person, we had a chat, and I convinced him to place an order of $25. Isn't it good? So you can see this method works. Okay, so try creating this gig, your gigs with the method that I showed you. This method absolutely works, and you can also get some orders going. So he gave me this file of his, and I need to create more detailed version. For example, he had these bullet points, and I have to create full paragraphs, and I have to take it to the next level by creating 1,000 words chapter out of each of these. But of course we will use ChatGPT to do that. That will absolutely be legal and absolutely be fine to be done with ChatGPT. So we might be doing this project in our live classes in the next videos, or we might be I might be giving you some demonstration of other projects as well. So this is it. This video is just to show you that you can do it too. If you follow the exact step-by-step procedure that I've shown you, it is really easy to get orders on Fiverr. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next one.